Hello students, today in this video we learn about sum of n terms of an AP. Consider an example for AP 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and the list goes on. Now first term is 2, second term is 4, third term is 6, fourth term is 8, fifth term is 10 and it goes on. Now what is the sum of first three terms, that is a1 plus a2 plus a3. Sum of first three terms, that is you need to add the first three terms, that is 2 plus 4 plus 6 which is equal to 12. Now in the same way, if I ask you to find out sum of first two terms, what you'll do, you'll add first two terms, that is a1 plus a2 which is equal to 2 plus 4. What we get? Which is equal to 6. The sum of first two terms is what? a1 plus a2. What we got is 6. In the same way, if I ask you to find out sum of first four terms, that is a1 plus a2 plus a3 plus a4, what we get? 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8, we get sum 20. 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 equals 20. That is sum of first four terms is 20. Now I denote this sum as S. S represents sum. What is S here? S is the sum of n terms. Now here how many terms have added? 3 terms. So therefore S3 is sum of 3 terms. In the same way S2 is sum of 2 terms. S4 is sum of 4 terms. What is Sn? Sum of n terms. Sn represents sum of n terms. What is S5? Sum of first 5 terms. In the same way, what is S6? S6 is sum of first 6 terms. What is S7? Sum of 7 terms, first 7 terms. The same way, if I ask you to find out sum of 50 terms, what you will do? You'll add a1 plus a2 plus a3 plus a4 and the list goes on up to a50. But it is a very tedious process. That means it takes too long time to find out sum of very large number of terms. Therefore, we have a formula to find out sum of n terms, that is Sn equals n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn equals n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d is a formula used to find out sum of n terms. Now we'll see how we get that formula. Sn equals n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Consider general form of AP. What is the general form of AP? A plus D, A plus 2D and the list goes on. What is the last term or nth term? It is A plus n minus 1 into D. Therefore, what is the first term here? First term is A, second term is A plus D, third term is A plus 2D. What is the last term? That is nth term is A plus n minus 1 into D. Now what is Sn? Sum of n terms. So what I'll do now? I'll add all the terms, that is a1 plus a2 plus a3 up to an, that represents A plus D, A plus 2D plus and the list goes on up to last term, that is A plus n minus 1 into D. Now what I'll do? I'll reverse the order of this Sn. That is reverse the order, write the last term as first term. That is Sn equals A plus n minus 1 into D. What is the next term? That is A plus n minus 2 into D. The same way up to last term becomes the first term, that is A. Just reverse the order. Now what you do is add these two, that is Sn plus Sn is 2 times Sn. Now A plus n minus 1 into D gives A plus A is 2a, n minus 1 as it is. In the same way, A plus D plus n minus 2 into d, we get 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Because minus 2d plus d, we get 1d. The same way, up to last term, we get same term, that is 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now 2a plus n minus 1 into d, 2a plus n minus 1 into d up to n times, we get 2Sn equals n times 2a plus n minus 1 into d. We get 2Sn equals n times 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now Sn equals n divided by 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula to find out sum of n terms of an AP. The sum of n terms of an AP is given by the formula Sn equals n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now I will split 2 as a plus a. I am splitting 2a as a plus a. Now a plus n minus 1 into d can be written as, that is the last term, nth term. That is, I will replace a plus n minus 1 into d as an. Now we have another formula, Sn equals n by 2 a plus an. These are the two formulas used to find out sum of n terms of an AP. Repeat with me, Sn equals n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Another formula, Sn equals n by 2, a plus an. Now we'll see an example. Find the sum of first 25 terms of the AP. What is AP? 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. Now to find out sum of n terms, we should know the value of a, d and number of terms. That is, what is the value of a equals 5. That is first term, d equals a2 minus a1. 7 minus 5 is 2. Now what is n? We should find out sum of 25 terms. Therefore n equals 25. Therefore, we use the formula Sn equals n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn equals n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now substitute all the values of a, d and n in this formula. We get S25 equals 25 by 2. That is, in place of n, I write 25 into 2 into a is what? 5 plus, what is n? N is 25 minus 1, value of d is 2. Sn equals 25 by 2 into 2 into 5 plus 25 minus 1 into 2. Now S25 equals 25 by 2, 2 5s are 10 plus 25 minus 1 is 24 into 2 is 48. Now S25 equals 25 divided by 2. What is 10 plus 48? It is 58. Now divide 58 by 2. 2 1s are, 2 2s are, 2 9s are. Now it is 25 into 29. Now S25 equals 25 into 29. We get 725. Therefore, sum of first 25 term is 725. To find out the sum, you should know the value of a, d and n. Now substitute all these values, you get sum of 25 term as 725. Now we shall solve exercise question, that is, find the sum of the following APs. The first question is 2, 7, 12 up to 10 terms. That means we should find out the sum of first 10 terms. Now we should find out the value of a, d and n. What is a? A equals 2, that is first term. D equals a2 minus a1, that is 7 minus 2. What we get is 5. Now what is n? We should find out the sum of 10 terms. Therefore n equals 10. Therefore we use the formula Sn equals n divided by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn equals n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now S10 equals 10 divided by 2 into what is the value of a is 2, then n is 10, 10 minus 1 into d is 5. Now S10 equals 2 1s are, 2 5s are, that is S10 equals 5 into 2 2s are 4 plus 10 minus 1 into 10 minus 1 is 9, 9 into 5, then S10 equals 5 into 4 plus 9, 5 is 45. Now S10 equals 5 into 4 plus 45 is 49. Now multiply 5 and 49, we get S10 equals 245. So the sum of 10 terms of the given AP is 245. The sum of 10 terms of the given AP is what? 245. Now moving to next question. Minus 37, minus 33, minus 29 up to 12 terms. We should find out the sum of 12 terms. We should know the value of A, D and N. What is A equals minus 37. D is what? A2 minus A1. What is A2? Minus 33. Minus of, now what we have, A1 is minus 37. Now minus into minus plus, minus 33 plus 37. Now minus 33 plus 37 we get 4, plus 4, bigger number sign plus, and 37 minus 33 is 4. N equals what? 12. Number of term is what? 12. Therefore Sn equals n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn equals n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d is the formula used to find the sum of n terms. Now substitute the value of a, d and n. S12 equals 12 by 2, 2 into minus 37 plus, what is n? 12 minus 1 into d is 4. Now S12 equals 2 ones are 2 6 are 6 into 2 into 37 is minus 74, plus into minus minus 2 plus 6 7s are 74, 12 minus 1 is 11, 11 4s are 44. Now S12 equals 6 into minus 74 plus 44, you have to do subtraction. 74 minus 44 is 30, bigger number sign is minus. So S12 equals 6 into 30 is 180, then plus into minus minus. Therefore sum of 12 terms of the given AP is minus 180. Sum of 12 terms of the given AP is minus 180. Moving to next question, that is 0.6, 1.7, 2.8 up to 100 terms. We should find out the value of A, D and then A equals 0.6. A equals 0.6. Now D equals A2 minus A1. What is A2? 1.7 minus 0.6. Now 1.7 minus 0.6 we get 1 minus 0.6. 7 minus 6 is 1 point as it is. 1 minus 0 is 1. Therefore D equals 1.1. N equals 100. Sum of 100 terms. Therefore N equals 100. Therefore we use the formula Sn equals n by 2. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. The sum of n terms of an AP is given by Sn equals n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now substitute the value of a, d and n. Therefore S100 equals 100 divided by 2 into 2 times a, that is 2 into 0.6 plus n minus 1 is, what is the value of n? That is 100 minus 1 into, what is the value of d is 1.1. Now S100 equals, what is 100 by 2? That is 50. So 50 times 2 into 0.6 we get 1.2 plus 100 minus 1 is 99 into 1.1. Now yes, 100 equals 50 times 1.2 plus multiply 99 into 1.1. What we get? 99 into 1.1 or 11. We get 108.9. We get 1089. Since there is a decimal point, put decimal point, we get 108.9. After a single digit from the unit place, put point. Now S100 equals 1.2 plus 108.9, add 108.9 plus 1.2, we get 110.1. Now S100 equals 50 times 110.1. Now multiply 50 and 110.1. We get 5505. 5505. The sum of 100 terms of the given AP is 5505. You should be careful when you are multiplying decimal numbers. Fourth question, here A equals 1 divided by 15. What is D equals? A2 minus A1. What is A2? A2 is 1 divided by 12 minus 1 divided by 15. Now just use butterfly method or take LCM. The easiest one is butterfly method. Multiply 15 into 1 is 15. Minus 12 into 1 is 12. Divided by 12 into 15 is 180. Now 15 minus 12 is 3 divided by 180. 3 ones are 3, 6 are you get 60. Therefore D equals what? 1 divided by 60. Now what is the value of n? We should find out the sum of 11 terms. Therefore n equals 11. The sum of 11 terms we should find out. Therefore n equals 11. Now we are using the formula Sn equals n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn equals n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now substitute all the values of a, d and n. We get S11 equals 11 divided by 2 into 2 times the value of a. What is the value of a? 1 by 15 plus what is the value of n? N is 11 minus 1 into what is the value of d? D is 1 by 60. Now S11 equals 11 divided by 2 into multiply the numerators. 2 ones are 2, denominator as it is, plus 11 minus 1 is 10. 10 into 1 is 10 divided by 60. Now 10 ones are 10 6 are. What we get is 11 by 2 into 2 divided by 15 plus 1 divided by 6. Now S11 equals 11 by 2 into, again use the butterfly method, that is 2 into 6 is 12, 15 into 1 is 15, then 15 into 6 is 90. Now we get S11 equals 11 by 2, 12 plus 15 is 27 divided by 90. Now you can divide 27 and 90 by the table 9. 9 3s are, 9 10s are. What we get is 3 by 10. Now S11 equals, multiply the numerators, that is 11 3s are 33 divided by 2 into 10 is 20. Therefore the sum of 11 terms of the given AP is 33 divided by 20. Students, hopefully you have understood. Now a practice question for you. 8, 3, minus 2. Find sum of 22 terms. Thank you for watching the video. If you find my videos are useful, subscribe, like and share the channel. Thank you.